Hello everyone, my name is Tony Williamson and I'm the CEO of the Far North Queensland Hospital Foundation. Can I just say, I'd like to shout out a very big thank you. In the 23 years the foundation's been in existence, we've had one of our very best years. Amazing, you might think, because of the craziness of 2020, but at the foundation we've decided, you know, let's just hook in and just raise money and make the local hospitals better. So with the help of some amazing donors, some amazing support crew, some amazing volunteers, the friends of the foundation, you know, the directors of the Far North Queensland Hospital Foundation, the staff at all the regional hospitals and the Cairns Hospital, and all the people right across the whole CHIS network and the Cape and Torres Health Services network, I'd just like to say thank you. You know, we can't control time, the old days of our lives, like sand through the hourglass, so these are the days of our lives. You know, I'd just like to say that even though a few of us went bananas this year, I just want to let you know that we decided to hammer our way through, and we hammered hard. We did that big auction up at Atherton with the charity auction, and we did the great auction for the Trinity accountants. You know, we've had quite a monumental year. I must say I've drank more alcohol foam than I've drank normal alcohol, but that's what 2020 was. 2020 threw changes at us, and we came through and we said, let's face up to it. So ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, everyone that's made a difference this year, everyone that's made their little piece in the pie or in the jigsaw to make our health system better, I'd like to say thank you from everyone at the Far North Queensland Hospital Foundation, because without you we couldn't have done what we've done, and rest assured we have made the hospitals better this year. So thank you, enjoy your break and look forward to 2021.